Wow, you're on Candy camera. Candid camera.
What are you doing?
I'm showing my fixes. And look at the Allen key for the gate, and then the rivet broke, so I just welded a screw in there, and then another one broke, and welded a screw in there. Because we beat the crap out of all of our stuff here.
That's the most versatile tool we have. Top on that thing, and then have to adjust.
Patch them up. Patch. We had a customer the other day, and I'm not talking shit on anyone. He had two issues, very similar to this. The muffler flange in the back was basically this on a Toyota, and then up front, the other flange was basically that. And it was like a 2000 vehicle, and we're like, yeah, it's time for a whole system, or a flex pipe and two patches. And he was like, well, can't you just do one patch? And we're like, no. Like, no. As soon as you start messing with that, this could fall apart. And if you can't afford to fix that, your car's going to be in worse shape than you came in. That's why we don't even bother. If you can't at least do the minimum repairs, you're going to have to just wait. It doesn't make sense for us to touch something in the back that's already falling apart. Excuse me. And then this is falling apart in our hands, and then I've heard this before. Well, it wasn't that bad till you touched it. Yeah. No kidding. So, yeah. When the minimums don't meet your minimums, not much we can do about it. So on this F-150, we're going to replace the fuel pump. The blower resistor is bad also. I told Rachel I want all OEM parts, not screwing around. Aftermarket fuel pump, aftermarket blower card or blower resistor, forget it. Some of these electronics, they look the same. Sometimes they don't even look the same, and they don't work. Can't tell you how many times I put a resistor in people's cars. Resistor or something like that, and it's got the same problem. I gotta question myself. Crazy. I actually watched Eric O do that with a car. It was a Ford, as a matter of fact. And he said, gosh darn it, I know that I'm right. And he didn't even go through the diagnostic. He goes, I just know that I'm right. And then he ordered another part, put it in, it didn't work. And he's like, now I'm just going to just do the diagnostic process and check to see how it works. And a brand new part, two aftermarket parts didn't work. And then he ordered the OEM one, and it worked. Yeah, that's kind of what it's all about. So I'm waiting for her to give me the okay to go to the Ford dealer. Then I gotta go pick up rock salt and go off.